Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can disable location history on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be explaining this using the PC version. You can follow pretty much the same process to do so on the mobile version as well. Pretty much you just need to arrive to the specific menu that you need. In this case, it is the profile management or account management menu, which you can easily access on both platforms by just going to your account icon in the top right, and from here you can just click it and go into account management. Once you're there, then you can actually go to this screen, which is your account management, and when you're in your Google account menu, what you're going to need to do, regardless of the platform that you're on, you're going to need to go into data and privacy, which is this here tab. So just click on it, and if we scroll down, as you'll see, you have your history settings right over here. You have your web and app activity, which you can turn on or off if you want, and you'll have your timeline, which is exactly what you want to disable. As you can see, it is your apps timeline. Your web and app activity are just in general for Google. YouTube history is self-explanatory, but the timeline is specifically tied to maps. So as you can see, in my case, it's paused. However, if it's on, just click on it, and here, instead of turn on, you would have a button that says turn off. So just click it, confirm it, and then your history will be off. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It is really as simple as that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.